Hey, Control the Trade here, taking a look at Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. Johnson & Johnson reports earnings in the morning on April 20th, 2021. Now, you'd think with all the bad news surrounding Johnson & Johnson that this stock would be free falling into nothing. Just another example of why the news doesn't matter, charts do. But leaving my opinions out of this for a minute, let's just go right to the chart. It's a healthy looking chart. There's no question about it. This is not an exciting stock to trade, but with earnings comes volume, attention, volatility, and opportunity. So we got to take a look, and especially with a name like Johnson & Johnson right now, with all the stuff in the news, I think there's a good chance that we should see a bigger than normal move for Johnson & Johnson. Just taking a step back though, check out this monthly chart. I mean, that's a beautiful, perfect channel that you want to see in a kind of long-term buy hold type of stock. This is not your typical day trading type of stock or speculative stock. It's a really nice solid uptrend that you want to see over a long period of time. Let's look at the weekly chart. I like to look at weekly charts, try to find some support just in case there's a bigger than average move down. We want to know where our more important support areas are going to be, and you're going to find those on longer term charts. So you can see here the 20-week moving average, it's been kind of riding that, which is 160.32. Today we closed at 162.69. So just be aware that the 50-period moving average is all the way down at 152.05. And let's take a look at the daily chart. I'll try to look for maybe some gaps to fill in the daily chart, other moving averages, things like that. So you have the 200-period moving average down here, 150, almost 153, 152.94. Another awareness. So now we know if it flushes down somewhere in like 153, 154, that area could serve as support. You can see we kind of visited the 200-period moving average almost back here, and we took a nice little ride since then. Really, it's been a healthy move here. You get some moves up and down, pulling back, and then getting back above the 50-period moving average here is still bullish. So also you want to stay above the 50, which is 161.79, which we are right now. We're right above the 50. And I believe we closed above the 20-period moving average as well. So there's a lot of open area here for a move higher. So if there's a positive reaction to earnings, it wouldn't surprise me if we came all the way up here to start to fill this gap and maybe even challenge this high here at 173.65. Wide range that we're talking about here. We have, it really, because earnings are a coin flip, so you could see this going anywhere from down to 152, 153 to making new highs. And that's we don't know, so that's why you don't gamble on earnings. You wait to see the market reaction and what the chart does, and then you make a high probability decision from there. At least that's how I would trade it. I'd also be watching the high of this candle here, which is 164.11, for a little bit of resistance, and then some support down here, maybe 156.50, 157. That area should also serve as support. I know I've given a lot of different numbers, but we have to see how it opens, the velocity at which it opens, the news that they tie to it, and just the general market sentiment tomorrow. We even want to watch the market itself. If the SPY is up or down, that could affect the movement of the stock. So there's a lot of things we have to see in real time to make the best decisions when trading. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And remember, don't let the trade control you.